Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a few harmful apps that negatively impact your phone and your vehicle movements. These are apps that download various files from the internet. This mainly concerns advertising. This affects your data usage. So if you have paid data, these ads can be downloaded and stored on your internal storage without your knowledge of spam. This of course wastes both your money and your data. Your phone gets clogged with junk and starts to slow down. Anyway, we'll be tweaking some good settings now. You can double check them on any phone and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video and share it with a friend. We'll be using Google Play Market. We won't be downloading anything, but there are some important settings there. Go to your avatar on the right side. At the bottom, look for help/review, a question mark. Locate it, and you'll be taken to this menu. There's a search function here. Here's a help search function. Click on this search function and type DT. Next, we need to find out how to delete an app from an Android device. Click here. You'll be redirected to a menu like this. Look for the text in blue, Home Phone. Click this to go to App Settings. Go there. This is where all the apps on your phone are grouped category. Click the Show System Processes button at the bottom. Unfortunately, there's no search function here, so you'll need to carefully look for these harmful apps to avoid missing them. Most scoops. There will be several, so be sure to check them carefully and make sure you don't miss them. And if you are out of them, you're doing a great job. But if not, then take a look and disable them. This will keep your phone working as it always has, and even better. And for those who are, of course, bothered by ads, you'll see significantly fewer of them. The first culprit is an app called MSA. It manages the ad units that are downloaded to your phone. So look, here are all the standard actions that I often show in the video, storage and cache. We clear it if there's anything, clear it. If not, don't clear it. And it's important to go into power and performance. By the way, look, it should be set to unlimited. That is, don't limit battery consumption at all. We definitely need to limit it. We limit it. And the most we can do, of course, is stop this app. Stop it. If there's another option to disable it, we disable it too. Not all phones have it. For example, this one doesn't. Let's go back. And then scroll and find another similar app. Here's MIUI daemon. It's practically the same app as an app. They just work in tandem, so to speak, and replace each other. Basically, we do the same thing. This is cleaning in power and performance. By the way, I already have it set to limited. And we stop. Click stop and OK. Disable. There's no such thing here either. Scroll further and find another application that is also responsible for downloading ads, but this time across all your browsers. Doesn't matter which one. It could be Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla, or Firefox. It could be absolutely any browser, even the default one. Here's BookMK provider. You can tell by the icon like this. We do the same thing. As you saw, I didn't clean it. Power and performance. We also limit them. And by the way, it's already stopped and even disabled. In general, double check these settings for yourself. Also look, there's another important application. Look for it. Some have it, some don't. Scroll through. It's called test. This one also needs to be disabled. We also disable it. This application also collects information which is sent to the developers of your app's games and the like. That is, it also uses this information to download ads and various files. By the way, I already limited it before. And just click stop or stop. If there's an option to disable it, do so too. It's also a good idea to get rid of the ad blocks that load from Google after you've made these settings. In other words, look for the section called Google in the Standards settings Google. Here we are. This is a recommended tab, and all services are basically recommended. Some don't have this yet. You might see a menu like this. Click on advertisement and reset the advertising identifier here. So everything in order. Confirm and delete. Delete and confirm. You should be left with only one line. Get a new advertising identifier. All this together will reduce the downloading of various files that your phone or smartphone out of that doesn't need. And you'll see fewer of those notifications, meaning ads that interfere with viewing you carry using the phone do best now. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend.